Hi guys and come back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming how to reuse watch belts as heart protector. This is the first ever DIY in our channel, so why late? Let's get started. So here what we all need is an empty box, watch strips and a Fevicol and scissors. Now take the watch strip and then cut it out the ends of the watch strip. And do it same with remaining watch strips and keep it aside. Now take the empty box and then measure the length of the watch strip and then mark it on empty box and then draw a line over it and then cut it out by using a scissor or a knife. According to your comfort, you can do it. Yeah, this is how it is. Now again take the watch strip, again measure it. If there any extra length, just cut it out. This is how it is. Now take the watch strip and apply the Fevicol over it. Well, and stick it over the cardboard. And repeat the same process with remaining watch strips and stick it over the cardboard.